Hi guys, welcome back to another session of Salesforce. In this session of Salesforce, we'll be learning something about record type. So what is record type? So record type is nothing but displaying different pick list values to different users. I've already making a note of it over here. Record type is nothing but displaying different pick list values to different users based on what they have chosen. So let us take an object and let us learn what this pick list is about and what is this record type is about in depth. So let us take an object training and let us check if it has any record types over there. First, we have to create a pick list value in order for us to show different pick list. Let us see if we have any pick list. Oh, in this, I believe there's no fields at all. All right, let's go ahead and see what we have in demos. Do we have any objects in demos? Yes, of course, we have a few objects in demos. Okay, but still, let us create some fields over here. Let's create date. All right, save and new. Yep. And then let us go ahead and create an email field. Save and new. And then what else we need in training? We got the date, we got the email address, we need a phone number. Excuse me. Save new. What else we need now to display our pick list is that we need a pick list value. Let's take a pick list. So what would be the field name would be? Let's take technology. So now let us add a few values to it. So let's add Salesforce, Java, .NET, mm, R, big data. Alright. So now let us add a few more things as well. Now let us add what all things we have. And then we have SAP, SAS, and then Excel, Advanced Excel. Right. Now let us save these fields. I believe this is more than enough. Let's give visibility to everyone. Next. Save. Click on training. Click on new. As you can see, we have a few fields over here that we have created. Training name. What is the name of the training that we want? Date, email, phone number. We have a few pick list values. We have something which is related to the IT sector and something which is related to the market research sector. So now based on this, let us display different values to different users. So how do we navigate to the record types? Click on fields again, scroll down, and you can find record types over here. So click on new, and what would be the first thing that we want to display? We have IT, which is information technology. Click on next. Let's give them the basic layout as well. and save. So as soon as you can say, you see it's showing us the available pick list values. If we have three different pick list values in the same object, everything will be displayed here. Now click on edit. So what all things comes under the IT sector, which is the information technology sector. See, R is a reporting tool. So I'm removing R. SAS, which is again an analytical as well as a reporting tool. So I'm removing that one as well. Excel, advanced Excel. Basically that you can use it in the both ways, but just to make it a differentiate, I'm removing, segregating few languages here and there, and then I'm clicking on save. Right, my record type is created. Now back to custom. Now I've created one pick list value, one record type, segregated on basis of information technology. Now, if you can see, there's something called as master. If IT is a master object over here, if you want to segregate the pick list value based on IT, furthermore, you can click on IT. But I don't want to do that right now. So what is the next one is we have MR. I'm writing it in shortcut, please don't mind, which is market research. So making it as active. So without making it as active, we cannot do it. Enabling for all the profiles. So I'm not making this as a default value because I've already made ID as a default. Now going ahead, I don't have different pick lists. I don't have different page layout values, so I'm taking the training page layout as well. I'm saving it. So again, we are navigating the same page. We have the available pick list over here, and just I'm selecting what all things I don't want over here. I want this. Okay. I believe this one also I've removed it previously. Yeah. We have few values over here. Saving it. Alright. So now we have list values and everything. So I'm keeping this page here. This page we have everything over here. Now I'm clicking on training again. We have directed here itself. Clicking on new here. I believe I haven't saved this one. Yes, edit. Yeah, the reason we cannot see is we have to refresh it. Refresh the page. Click on new. You see. So based on our record type. So if you want to go with IT sector, you select IT first. Continue it. And you can see here we only have few items over here. Now I'm taking the training in another app, another window. Click on new. Click taking the MR, which is market research, and I'm continuing it. And you can see the typical list values is different over here. Prior to that, if you can see here, I haven't refreshed the page here, so that will be easier for you people to understand. We have all the pick list values here, but right now, based on our values, see this is an IT pick list value, so that's the reason. Oh, sorry, this is MR, market research values. So based on that, we are only able to see the market research technologies over here, and this is an IT value. So based on the IT that we have selected prior, we're able to see something which is related to IT sector. So this is how we are displaying different pick list values to different users based on what they choose first, based on the record types basically. So this is in depth about what record type is, how it works, how we can differentiate different users based on their pick list. So in the next session, we'll learn in depth about how a page layout works and how we can differentiate different pages. Thank you for now.